buy 3 get 1 free. If you are now in Singapore, you are in luck because Tomica is having this promotion across TRU in Singapore and right here in VivoCity. There are thousands of Tomica on this display, and with every $40 spent, you'll get to buy the event model exclusive to VivoCity. Many of these current release Tomica has the missing first color. For example, the Toyota Prius, the VW Polo Police from 2016 is my favorite, the London bus which is very popular with kids, and the missing first color from the Lotus 311 which has plenty when it was launched. The first color is also missing from the Isuzu Transporter. The first color can be seen for the Ford GT, the Mazda CX-5, as well as the Chevy Camaro. The ever popular aquarium truck which sits very well with the kids. The Toyota Crown Comfort Taxi which look very nostalgic. The Mazda Roadster as well as the New York City Cab with missing first color. And I'm quite surprised I can't see the Suzuki Swift on this display. Maybe it's located at the other section. And now a close-up of all this casting out of the box. The number 7 Mercedes from 2017 is one of my favorite. The Ford GT concept car which I think Hot Wheels and Majorette did a much better job. And the SRT Viper which I love the color in black. As well as the popular Nissan GTR with the missing first color. The large and heavy New York City Cab is a waterfall casting. The popular Honda NSX, and the recent released Toyota Land Cruiser which was thought to be a Japan exclusive. The Nismo Fair Lady which sits very well with collectors and kids, and I shall do a review on this casting very soon with the latest Nissan GTR Police. The very popular burger truck which I'll do a review on all my burger cars. And the recent released Toyota Prius. Here is the latest Jewel series for Disney Motors which sits very well with the ladies. I shall get a couple of these for my princess when the TRU Exclusive is launched on the 17th. The standard event model with the Lamborghini and the tuner truck that is exclusive to VivoCity. While the Evo Lancer is popular among collectors, please take note that these are not the latest Tomica event model. The packaging design looks exactly the same, and you really have to rely on the numbers to get the casting you want. There are plenty of Evo Lancer on the shelf because most of the Singapore collectors already have them. Not forgetting the TRU Exclusive playset as well as other box sets. If you are in Singapore, why not hop down to TRU to take a look before 2nd of December to enjoy this promotion. Thanks everyone, bye!